What's going on, Keith?
Feels like a Monday on a Tuesday.
That it does.
And it's cold.
I'm looking forward to the weekend. It's supposed to be like 60s.
Yeah. Hello.
What's going on?
Trying to figure why something doesn't work. Figure out why something doesn't work.
How was your New Year's?
It's pretty good. Didn't do anything. Just nice.
Stay warm inside?
Definitely. Nothing crazy for me. I didn't have anything to drink. I wanted to go to bed before midnight. We ended up just staying and watching a movie.
Still juicing?
I'll have one this morning. New year, new me, right? Isn't that how that's supposed to go?
Dude, if only you had Starbucks in your hand, you'd have fit it spot on right there.
With my Uggs.
Yep.
Steven's starting on the Mustang today. We're waiting on a couple of things for the Falcon, so we're just going to pull off of it for a little bit and get started on... We got a 66 Mustang.
Yeah, what's the word on that? I know it's been sitting over in storage.
Yeah, we stripped it to find out what all it needed. Got it all down. It needed both quarters, a little bit of rust repair in the doors. Then the fenders are in really good shape. So we're putting quarters, trunk pans, all that stuff. The only body mods we're doing to it at all are the mini tubs. So it'll be mini tubbed, and it's just getting like a 331 stroker and a 5-speed and some gears. And I was reading on the mini tub thing. It said you can put like an 18 by 11, which is gonna be super cool on the back of that Mustang. It'll be fun. I'm really excited about that little car. It'll be a cool one.
Trying to get that lead out.
Good tell.
Like literally.
I wonder if I should tell him in case he accidentally decides to start flinging hot lead my direction.
Splash it on you.
Yeah.
It's actually not too bad after it's
as soon as it
kind of cools back down just a little bit. Yeah, it's not too bad. You can kind of pick it up by your hand, but when it turns to liquid, that's when you want to watch it for sure. Yeah, it's kind of a slow process, but it definitely does the trick, that's for sure. It's kind of cold today, but
yeah,
normally this would kind of fall out a little faster, but what I did is scraped it first, kind of scraped it about 1 inch at a time, and then now I'm just kind of going back and getting the parts that I missed and trying to get most of it off. Plus I want to be able to see all them spot welds.
So you're just getting started on this thing, huh?
Yeah, I just moved it over this morning.
Was it already stripped down? I don't remember how.
Yeah, I think Bruce and Will and some of those guys
stripped it down a while back.
Yeah, they stripped it down. I think probably like in February or March, somewhere there. It was early in the year. Yeah, so they stripped most of it down already. Got it to where it's all bare sheet metal. See what we're working with here. Most of these cars are rust buckets. I'm kind of a Mustang fan myself. So. A lot of these Mustangs, man, they're getting harder to find a solid one that somebody doesn't want an arm and a leg for.
Well, y'all trying to get that Coyote to set into the truck today?
Yeah. Make sure we don't need anything weird for it. Then we'll get started doing other stuff.
going on, Doug?
What's up?
Not much. I was just observing the new rearrangement of the shop here.
Yes. The floor is very clean. So the Casey and Garrett, and of course we did the initial slop.
Look, it's all cleaned up for you to spill some stuff on it.
That's right.
So I take it the motor mounts for the Coyote swap have come in?
Yes, we have. So we're I'm investigating the positioning now.
Is your goal to try and transplant this thing today? See if it sits in?
Well, we have to set it in to get the position of the bottom motor mounts. So do a little Zach engineering.
What is Zach engineering?
He's just a natural at this. We'll set it down and he'll mark it up. The holes will be in the perfect spot. It'll be wonderful. That's if we can get it up high enough to get it in the truck, because we had to let the air out of the front tires to just to get the old motor out.
Yeah.
Hi.
Hello.
These are gonna have to switch sides, aren't they? This is gonna have to stick out. So
what?
This one's gonna go on that side.
Why?
I don't know. That's what.
I should do that.
You think that's the way it goes?
Yeah. Fit your bolt better. This kit will offset the motor a lot. It won't center it up in the compartment.
It won't.
No. It's gonna be offset to this side.
It looks like it because these
yeah, it's
two
gonna really
different.
be offset to that side.
So they got it around that box.
That gray truck, dude, it's like 2 inches off. That 351.
So they were.
Yeah.
I mean, even the stock
What
locations. Or the other one probably is too. The gray one.
I'm gonna start kicking them suckers over and then in a row putting it. Where'd you put all the bolts, Doug?
I got them right here.
Well, let me have 4 of them.
I hit the starter on the Harley next door. Need to yank your battery or get the battery tender on. It's froze. Or well, not really froze, but it's still salvageable. It's just dead. She don't like the cold.
What number of bolts Doug on? I'm on my third one already.
Quattro. But
Oh,
I
he's on four.
I put it on and then I started to take it off because I wasn't sure that this was the correct one for the sides. This was going straight down.
What is it? Negligence isn't an excuse.
That wasn't negligence. Get it right.
Are you still on your 4th one?
We finger tighten stuff in there.
Yeah. What are you waiting on? Doug, what did you do? That's that Ice Age hammer
Yeah.
that Doug just handed me.
I missed it going in.
It was sketchy.
It was sketchy.
Yeah, it was
Very sketchy.
Probably a good thing we didn't have a recorded record of that.
Well, how's it fit, Doug?
Surprisingly, it might just work. Sitting in the cradle. I've got to get ready to line it up. Zach went looking for a transmission mount.
Oh, y'all don't have the trans bolted in yet?
Well, the trans is on the engine.
I meant you don't have a cross member bolted in for it.
No, it's just slid in there right now. Jack underneath of it.
How far along is the Chevelle? Pretty.
He's doing good.
Getting closer to the paint.
Well, I wouldn't say it's getting close to paint, but it's getting close to next round of polyester. It's looking good though. Bruce did a good job on it. It's all slicking out in poly like we wanted. There's just a couple little things that he wants to fix, but all in all, it looks really, really good.
Couple little low spots.
Yeah, it looks great.
Yeah. Almost done to get to the next coat of poly.
Yeah. I'll have to take it off with the race ramps and drop it down. That way I can do the roof and then the hood and everything. And after that, it'll be ready for one more round of poly just to make sure it's all straight. And then we'll blow it all apart, do the jams, the insides of the fenders, inside of the hood, deck lid, and then more sanding, and maybe some paint.
Maybe some paint. Well, it's looking good, man. It's looking good.
My buddy Brian's texting me now, saying 34 hours, no nicotine. I'm about to kill somebody.
Feeling it this morning.
So we did a bad habit challenge. Me, Keith, and my buddy Brian.
Garrett didn't get in?
Garrett didn't get in because Garrett can't do it.
I was
He knew
thinking
he was
that
gonna
he
lose.
didn't show up to work today because he already had his bad habits going on.
No, he says me and Carly have our own thing going. That's because he knows he's going to lose $250. We did $250 buy-in. So at the end of the year, whoever goes, or anytime this year, whoever goes the longest without their bad habit doesn't gets to keep the $750. So you make $500, you get your $250 back, and then make $500. And at the end of the year, if two people don't bust, we'll just split the profits. But my bad habit was energy drinks and caffeine, so I quit all caffeine, even coffee, apparently. It's gonna be a hard one.
Really?
I like coffee. Just black coffee. I don't like all the foo-foo drink stuff.
I need at least 1 cup a day. I mean, that's just
I'm telling you. But I did a little pregame workout on mine though, so I started kind of quitting energy drinks last week. So then Sunday I had one of the tanker NOS energy drinks to finish off the end of 17. So today I had no coffee waking up, which I'm not really liking very much. He said I can drink decaf coffee. What the hell's the point of that?
Drinking hot water at that point.
Yeah, flavored hot water. I don't want that. I'll just send him back the.
Would like to have iced tea.
I don't like tea though.
You don't?
I don't like iced tea. I don't like iced tea, sweet tea, green tea's, sometimes, but I don't like tea at all.
I have a little bit of tea to offset because I haven't drank any type of sodas or anything with caffeine related ever since I ended up in the hospital a couple months ago. I went cold turkey.
So, cold organic pressed juices on my menu. That's about all I get.
It's good. It's just.
It is good. It's just having to get used
to it. Sucks. Yeah, when you're used to bad stuff.
Right.
Bad habits. That was Mountain Dew was my cocaine of choice.
Mine was NOS energy drinks.
Ever since I got out of the hospital, your Mountain Dews hadn't been running out of stock.
I know we stocked up on that because you were drinking it faster than we could put it in there.
I've been drinking it.
Yeah, and now I got a plethora of it because you quit drinking it.
And Dr. Pepper 10.
Yeah.
You know what I'm going to do just to be an a-hole? I'm just going to put it underneath your desk.
Dude,
That's the storage.
no.
I'm gonna store the Mountain Dew all underneath your desk.
Oh.
No, I wouldn't do that to you, man. It's better for your health.
You made me relapse.
Yeah, I don't want you to relapse. So I'm trying not to relapse. Keith is irritable.
I'm feeling it today.
How long have you been dipping?
This go round?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Have you ever quit nicotine altogether?
Yeah, I quit for 13 years.
Oh, good thing you picked it back up.
And then I just picked it back up one day. Yeah, I was off of it for 13 years.
13 years. So you've been going at it a while this time?
5 or 6 probably, I don't know.
Cool thing is he told his wife about it.
Yeah.
So now she's on his butt too, so hopefully that'll...
I go through a lot of Jolly Ranchers.
He said put a good Jolly Rancher
Yes, I said,
He said put a good
Jolly
dip in.
Rancher in.
Put a good Jolly Rancher
Let me
in.
go get a glass of water. And we'll start our day.
It's not our finest moment.
No.
Everybody's already struggling. Day 1, day 2.
This
Day
day,
two.
day
The
2
New
New
Year's.
Year's resolution.
Yeah.
Everybody's like, man, I got any more of them energy drinks?
Got this slight
It's like
twitch. Laughing so you don't. Oh, yeah, just irritable this morning.
No more cussing on our YouTube.
Okay.
Tell everybody.
Me?
No, tell everybody out there.
Yeah. You want me to tell everybody?
Well, I can't.
I think it sounds better if it comes from you.
Y'all quit the cursing.
So do you want to tell everybody what we decided on
For
after that last video? For me.
from me?
For me.
For you?
For me, yeah.
Do I need to rewatch? Oh, you haven't decided anything yet on your motor.
What do you mean I haven't decided anything?
You haven't pulled trigger on one.
Right. Well, I'm working on that.
Right.
I'm working on
True.
it.
I think we need to do the Coyote swap in it.
I think so, man. After the response on the last video, I think we have to now.
I think you had an overwhelmingly positive response on that.
Absolutely. I think
Like
that
you were
helped.
saying that even Chevrolet guys are saying that you should do a Coyote.
Dude, there are so many comments that say, hey, I'm a Chevy guy or I'm an LS guy, but you got to put a Coyote in that.
And we also said to anybody looking for any work. Did anybody hit you up for any work?
No, but
Damn it.
that tends to happen. I've got,
Dang it.
well,
No cussing.
I shouldn't say that no one hit me up for work. No one related to the YouTube page, but I am landing a wedding contract, so that'll bring in some money.
I know how much those things pay. Those are good.
Yeah,
I had to pay for one once.
yeah, me too. We didn't
I think
cheap.
I'm still paying it off. Me and the old lady have been together on December 28th. Guess how long me and my wife have been together? Not married, like together, like exclusive.
Y'all been married what? 13, 12 years? 13 years?
13.
13.
Or is this last one 14? No, it's 13.
So I don't know, 15, 16 years.
16 years.
16 years.
16 years of that old ball and chain. That's pretty good.
I'm right behind you on that.
She's good to me. All right, Eric. I gotta figure out this transmission deal.
All right, man.
Bye, YouTube.